はい、皆さん、こんにちは。Kazue です。Hello everyone, I'm Kazue. I recently visited the Ghibli Park and in this video, I'm going to introduce you how I got the ticket. The ticket I got this time was Osanpo Day Pass Premium. It is a premium ticket that allows you to enter all the Ghibli Park areas and facilities. Isn't it amazing? It's not easy to get a ticket, but if you prepare well in advance of 2 months, you can get it. So I'll explain step by step from now on, so please save this video and get your ticket. By the way, everyone, do you know where is the Ghibli Park located? Ghibli Park is located in Aichi Prefecture on the spacious ground of the Aichi Expo 2005 Memorial Park. Entering the park is free, but to enter the Ghibli Park areas requires a ticket to purchase. The closest big city is Nagoya. Do you know Nagoya? Located between Tokyo and Osaka. From Nagoya Station, you need to take 2 trains, a subway called Higashiyama Line and Rinimo, a linear motor car. There's another subway line, so please don't get confused. First, take Higashiyama subway line from Nagoya Station to Fujigaoka Station, the last stop of the subway line. Then transfer to Arinimo and alight at the Expo 2005 Aichi Commemorative Park Station. The type of the ticket. There are 2 types of the tickets, Day Pass Standard and Day Pass Premium. The price of the weekday and weekends are slightly different. Weekend is slightly higher price. The places you can visit are different by the type of the ticket. Day Pass Premium, you can access all of the facilities. I highly recommend to get the Day Pass Premium since you're coming to Japan for this. Now let me introduce you 5 areas of Ghibli Park. There are 5 unique areas in Ghibli Park. Ghibli Grand Warehouse, Hill of Youth, Dondoko Forest, Valley of Witches, Mononoke Village. The 2 most large and interesting areas are Ghibli's Grand Warehouse and Valley of Witches. When you buy the ticket, you need to specify the entering time of Ghibli Grand Warehouse. I highly recommend to choose the earliest time as possible. Ghibli Park opens from 10 on weekdays and 9 on weekends and close at 5. So you may want to stay there as longer as possible. Now, finally, let me introduce you how to book the ticket online. Please note that the person visiting the park must make the purchase in person. Purchases on behalf of others are not allowed unless you are visiting together. Okay, first, you go to the ghibli-park.jp/en. Then you'll see this screen. Okay, then click ticket. So this is for the purchasing from the overseas. Then, as you see, reservation from July 2025 goes on sale May 10th of the 2025, 2 p.m. Japan time. Okay, so please remember 2 months before. So you want to prepare, on the 10th and 2 p.m. JST exact time. You need to prepare like 10 minutes before you sit in front of the PC. Okay, then there are 2 options of purchasing from the Lawson ticket or the Klook. Both are available, but there are more tickets available on the Lawson ticket, so I recommend this. But you can also, go to the Klook, but they tend to finish up so soon. Now they only available standards. Okay, so let's go back to the Lawson ticket. When you enter the booking site on the 10th of the month, you might see this warning saying there are over 8,000 plus people waiting in front of you. Oops, but you don't need to worry. It may take a few hours, but just keep open the browser and wait. You can do other things while waiting. You just need to check sometimes and then see how. Once you get this notification saying your time is coming, then you'll see the next page. This is the page you'll see on the next. Then you need to read carefully all these instructions. Okay, especially here, select the date, enter time of the Ghibli Grand Warehouse and the number of the ticket. So the group leader need to buy the ticket for all of you. And you have to go with you. Then enter your customer information, name, email, address, telephone numbers, and country of the residence, and passport number, and the address while in Japan. So just remember, and this is important, a smartphone with internet connection is required to display the ticket. Free Wi-Fi is not available in the park. And if you don't have the smartphone with internet connection, please be sure to bring the printer out of your My Page to show the QR code. PDF data and the screenshot will not be accepted. Okay, so read carefully. Then you need to choose the a ticket. So today is May 14th, and a ticket for the Mays are all sold out. So I recommend to buy the ticket 2 months in advance on the 10th of the 2 p.m. JST. So from today is May, so it's that you can buy the ticket for July. So still available, even though it's 4 days past. But since you see, okay, it's a premium. Next page. The most of the ticket early time are unavailable already. See, it's available, a few left and sold out. So I highly recommend to buy the ticket on the 10th of the 2 months before. Okay, so there are some still available, but the park closes at 5, so you can only have time for Ghibli Grand Warehouse for 2 hours if you buy this. And also you need to enter within 1 hour of your time slot. If you choose the 10 o'clock, then you have to enter to the Ghibli Grand Warehouse by 11. Okay, then just choose. And next, then you need to choose the number of the ticket for adult or the children's. Children is age 4 to 12, and under 3 is free. So you need to count the ticket for the infant. And this is a disabled adult. If you are qualified disabled, then you can choose the number of ticket from here. Okay, then you need to enter the email and confirmations and telephone number, including the country code, and again, then next. Then just follow the instruction. Once you complete the purchase online, you'll see this page, purchase complete. Yay! Then you'll receive the email soon. When you click the URL link, you'll see this. But this indicate the ticket button will only be available on the day you visit the park. And you show this ticket to the staff at any area of the Ghibli Park where you enter first. And please go to Ghibli Grand Warehouse at the time of your reservation. You may be late, but not later than 1 hour, or you can't enter. Okay, hope this video is helpful. If you like, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Enjoy your trip to Japan and have a wonderful and amazing time in Ghibli Park. Bye bye!